Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of bed bugs. Number 1. Hot water. If you suspect that bed bugs have made a home in your bedding, blankets and even your clothes, it's time to give your items a thorough wash by a splash of steamy heated water. It's important to use hot water when washing these items as long as they can withstand the heat to kill the bed bugs. Heat treatment is an effective method getting rid of these picky creatures because they get dehydrated due to the insect's heat. Place your clothes and line in the dryer too. Another dose of heat, the bed bugs will have little chance of surviving this. Number 2. Vacuum. Make it a point to vacuum your bedding, furniture and even the tiny cracks that you see on your bed frame, walls and wallpaper. Even the box spring must be vacuumed as much as possible. Get a brush and use it to help loosen up any bugs and eggs that you see on your mattress, upholstered furniture and the like. Afterward, remove the vacuum bag and seal its contents before disposing of it. Don't forget to clean your vacuum too while you are at it. Number 3. Steam cleaner. If you have a steam cleaner at home, you can also remove the bed bugs from your mattress and box spring. Research suggests that intense heat is one of the most effective way to get rid of bed bugs instantly. However, an even better option is renting a professional steam cleaner or seeking professional help. The team may provide you with an in-depth analysis of the solution with the bugs at your place and what treatment is more likely to be effective. You may choose between hot treatment, cool treatment and chemical treatment as per conventional need and budget. Number 4. Diatomaceous earth. When it comes to natural remedies to get rid of bed bugs, diatomaceous earth is a good option to consider as it is a chemical-free powder that you can eliminate different type of pests, including bed bugs. What it does, it dehydrates the bed bugs, which kills them off. It may take up to a week before you see results. Be careful when using diatomaceous earth as it can be easily inhaled. Use a face mask to prevent this and make sure that you use gloves too. Only use this ration of diatomaceous earth EPA approved for this use. Number 5. Baking soda. Another example of home remedies to get rid of bed bugs is baking soda, which dehydrates the bugs by removing moisture. You can sprinkle a light layer of baking soda on areas you can think these creatures are staying in. Let the powder sit for a week before using your vacuum cleaner to suck up everything. You will need to do this often until there are no bugs or eggs left.